Hello everyone. On today's video I have 4 pink Christmas decor. The first project that we're gonna do is a furry pink tabletop tree. I have here this tree that I bought at our local 99 store. I'm going to remove this and then I'm going to use the frame for the tree. Now I have this yarn, this furry yarn in the color pink. I got this at Walmart. It was in clearance. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the whole frame of the tree with this yarn. I use a little glue on the bottom and the middle where you see the circular frame, so it would hold this yarn together. And for the top of the tree, what I'm going to use is this package of silver stars that I got at our local 99 stores, and I'm just going to hot glue this to the top. Now let's start with the second project. The second project is an iridescent painted plastic ball. All I did is I got this paint at Amazon. I'll look in on the description box below. And I just poured the paint inside of the plastic ball. And then I kept turning the ball so it can cover the whole thing. And now the ball is completed painted, so I'm just gonna put it inside of a paper cup to dry. I let it dry overnight. I don't think you need to leave it that long. And I have here this ribbon, gems, and this letter stickers. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a ball on the top of the plastic ball. Now I'm going to take the letter stickers and I'm going to write the letter Joy on the middle of the ball. Now I'm going to take this gem. They're also iridescent. I got them at Walmart, and the letter stickers I also got them at Walmart. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the gems on the top right next to the bow, so it will give it a more sparkly look when it's in the Christmas tree. And here is the finished ornament. As you can see on the left corner, I made a green one and I wrote the word Mary. The third project is pretty much the same as the second. All I did is I took this paint from Flockhart. I think the color is Vintage Tea Rose. And I just poured inside the plastic bowl and then I kept turning the bowl to cover the whole thing. After the bowl was dry, all I did is I took some Mod Podge and I painted the bottom part of the bowl. Once I finished with the Mod Podge, all I did is I took this silver leaf, and I just kept dabbing the sheet just where I put the Mod Podge to cover that area. Then I took a bowl that I had pretty much the same color as the bowl, and I glued it to the metal hanging thing on the center of the bowl. And for the fourth project, we're going to do an origami star fabric ornament. All I did is I took 2.5-inch squares of fabric and I fold the edges towards the center. And once I did that, I fold the sides, making a triangle as seen here. So you're going to have a little triangle at the bottom of the square. Now what you're going to do is you're going to flip everything over, and that little triangle you're going to fold it towards the top and then fold everything towards the inside. My triangles, I press them so it will be more stiff, and all you need to do is you're going to stick the triangles on the pockets that you're going to have on the back of each triangle, and then you're going to make it automatically going to make everything a round form, and that's going to be your star. Once I did that, all I did is I took some hot glue and I glued inside the pockets to hold everything in place. You can also use fabric glue if you prefer. Also take in consideration, like in this case, if you're going to use a striped fabric, make sure that your lines go the same way. Now I have this iridescent gems that I used to use on project number 2. And I'm going to glue them on the center of the triangles so it gives a more sparkly look. If you're going to make this exact one, I use 13 2.5-inch squares, but if you go bigger, like 3.5-inch squares, I think you're going to be using like 16 squares. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.